Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Midjourney account. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. Now, since we use the Midjourney application either through our server or from the Midjourney server within Discord itself, we will have to delete the Midjourney server from our Discord channel in order to delete Midjourney. So just go ahead and type in discord.com in the address bar and press enter. Now click on Open Discord in your browser and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged into your account, you can find your Midjourney server and your own server containing the Midjourney bot as well. Now, in order to remove the bot, you can simply click on Show Member List and click on Midjourney Bot. Now, from the member list, just right-click on Midjourney Bot, and then you can kick out the bot by clicking on the Kick option. Doing this will remove the Midjourney bot from your server, which means you will no longer have access to Midjourney inside your server. Now, to unsubscribe from Midjourney, go to the official Midjourney server, and from there you can click on the drop-down menu alongside the server name. From here, you can simply click on Leave Server, and doing so will remove you from the Midjourney server. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your Midjourney account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.